Bismillah walhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli Rabbana zidna ilma. So we are starting our this session, first session of this week. We were on properties of noun, ism. So let's in first 3-4 minutes we recap the previous things, and so that we can be able to start the new thing for today. So properties of ism. So I would need help from Ahmad, Sayyid Ahmad. If you just tell me the properties of noun, how many properties?
There are 4 properties.
Yes, name it.
Number, gender, type, and status.
Any example of a noun?
Noun, any name. Ahmad,
Yeah. Any other?
Muhammad.
Yeah. Ahmed, your mic have some problem. If you can please fix it, it will be good for us to listen you. Okay, so properties of ism are 4: number, gender, type, and status. Obaid.
Yes.
Yeah, Obaid. Obaid, can you please just tell me about the number? Number can be how many types of numbers?
Numbers is 2.
No, numbers. When we say ism can be in case of number, it can be singular.
Singular, broken plural.
First you say singular, dual, and plural. Say again.
Singular, dual, plural.
Yeah, singular, dual, and plural. And how many types of plural?
2.
Name them.
Solid plural and broken plural.
Can you please differentiate between solid plural and broken plural?
A solid plural has masculine plural, feminine plural, and non-human feminine.
No.
Solid plural.
Just a simple difference between solid plural and broken plural. Solid plural follow the same normal pattern like Muslimun, Kafirun, Nasirun. Okay. And broken plural, they don't follow the normal pattern. They are different than that, like kuffar, rusul, rijal, qulub, aqlam, kutub. These are broken plural, and they are treated as third
person singular feminine.
Singular feminine. So I would go to Brother Hamid, if he can please tell me the second type of gender. Just there are how many types of gender, Brother Hamid?
It says the real and genders are two genders.
Yes.
Real and fake.
No, gender are two.
Masculine genders and feminine genders, and then feminine genders are real
masculine, and masculine gender and feminine gender. In Arabic, what do we say them?
Muzakkar,
And
muannas.
And then muannas can be
real or fake.
Real or
bint, ukht.
In English,
it's mother,
yes,
daughter,
yes,
and sister.
So they are real feminine, we know that. But there are in Arabic, there are other things that we take them as feminine, and they are not real, non-real. That's why we say them fake feminine. There are how many reasons?
There are 7 reasons.
8 reasons.
8 reasons.
7 normal, 8 we also included there. 8 reasons. And the most famous number 1 reason is that
ta marbuta.
If ta marbuta comes at the end, then it will be
muannas.
Second thing, all
broken plurals.
Examples are very important to remember them, like
kuffar, rasul, rijal, kutub, aqlam.
Aqlam is plural of what? What is the singular of aqlam?
Qalam.
And kutub singular?
kitab.
Kitab. So all the broken plural will be treated as muannas.
Yeah, as a
And the second is
singular
Yeah.
feminine.
broken plural.
And next one is isme tafdeel, when
Yeah,
it
with
ya at the end.
Yeah. Like
So kubra, uzma, sughra, bushra,
Bushra. Yes. And what is the muzakkar for this kubra?
akbar,
Uzma,
azam,
Sughra,
asghar,
Bushra, Abshar.
abshar.
They are muzakkar. They are muzakkar. Yeah, they will be treated as muzakkar. And all colors and body defects, they will be also
Yeah, also in this category, fake feminine.
feminine. And body parts in pairs.
Body parts are all
Those in
the
pairs.
ones that are in pairs.
Yeah, like two hands,
2 hands, 2
two
eyes,
ears,
2
two eyes.
ears.
Yeah. And leg,
Names of places
like
Mecca,
Madian,
Madian, Rome,
and
Winnipeg.
also there is a linguistic reasons of some of the words. They will be treated like in Arab they treat as muannas. There are some example very famous: nar, jahannam, shams, nafs, ard, reh, asa. All these are muannas. And also non-human feminine solid plural like ayat, jannat, they will be treated as muannas.
As muannas.
Okay. Next thing, last week we discussed. So I would go to Brother Javed Rasul.
Yes, Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. Third type of ism is
Type and
in Arabic.
Qism.
Qism. How many types of ism?
There are 2 types:
Yeah.
common noun nakira and proper noun marifa.
Any example of common noun?
Like
Kitab.
Abedun or Hamza or Jahannam, Ibad, these are common
Yeah,
nouns.
kitab, qalam.
Yeah.
Yeah. And proper noun?
Proper
There
noun,
can be-
there are 7 reasons for it to be common noun.
Yeah. First is just remind us about these.
First one is all proper names of people like Muhammad, Hassan, Ibrahim, or cities like Makkah,
Any place.
Madian.
Name
Yeah.
of name of person or place, they will be treated as marifa. Also,
Second is all nouns starting with
al. When you put the al with even with nakira, that will become marifa. If I remove al before that, this will be nakira.
Right.
Qalam, Muslim. Okay.
Okay,
And then
the
we
third
said
type
that
is
detached
pronouns,
pronouns.
the Mayer, like huwa, hum, anta, antum, ana, nahnu.
Yeah, we
They're
also
all,
say them
proper
detached pronoun. Detach.
Okay, detached pronouns. Okay.
Yeah.
And then the fourth is pointers or ismul ashara, like haza, zalika, tilka, haulai, or ulaika.
Just if you can translate them, just for audience remembrance.
Haza this, zalika that, tilka,
Same.
tilka is feminine of that.
Yeah.
And haulai is those, and ulaika is also those.
And the one who is called, and also
The one who is called al munada, like ya waladu or ya bintu.
so this
So
complete will
waldun,
become
when you add ya, it'll become ya waladu.
okay. Whenever we put a ya, so it will become marifa. Ya
Marifa,
waladu,
yes.
ya bintu. But ya also do one thing, that if it is waladun, ya will make it singular.
Right.
Single rab, that is ya
Right,
waladu. Also,
The relative pronouns are asma'ul mawsula, allazi, alladina, allati, and allati. These are all proper
can you
nouns.
please just translate them?
Allazi, the one who, allazina, those who, allati, the one who, feminine, and allati, those who, feminine.
Okay. And also one more thing for marifa.
Yeah, it is if mudaf alay is proper, mudaf is also proper.
Yeah, whenever we use this terminology mudaf ilay, can you please just give one example so that we should remember it always?
Like
That this is
like
mudaf.
this is Rasulullahi, messenger
Baitullah.
of Allah. So when we add of, that means it is mudaf.
And
mudaf
first
alay.
thing is called
First is mudaf,
Second thing is
mudaf alai.
mudaf ilayh. And when if mudaf ilayh is proper, mudaf will also be
Proper.
proper marifa, because Allah is proper and Rasul
Will also
will
be
also
proper.
become proper. Fir'aun is proper, so Ali family, this will also become proper. So this
Yes.
will proper. Thank you very much, brother Javed. Thank you. So this is just, we did a revision so that we should remember, we revise. There is no other solution that we open the slides before coming to the class, or for whole week for just 15 minutes, not more than that, even less than that. Just we revise them and they will be there, because all these slides examples are there. The best thing is to understand the examples and just to revise. So we have discussed we are discussing nowadays ism, properties of ism. There are 4 properties of ism, that is number, gender, type, status. Number can be singular, dual and plural. Gender, gens, can be masculine, muzakkar and muannas, masculine and feminine. Type we discussed last time, and brother Javed Rasul just revised that thing. Qism, there are 2 type of qism or type, that is isme ma'rifa, isme nakira. Today we are going to discuss the last property of ism, status. In English, in Arabic we will say it Arab. Before understanding, Arabs are very important to translate the overall ayah or sentences. So this is very important that we have to understand this status. So let's try it. First thing is, before going somewhere, first thing, Arab. What is Arab? Normally in Indo-Pak we say it's Zabar, Zair and Pesh. And in Arabic they are Fatha, Kasra and Dhamma, and also they are Fatha, Nasab, Jar and Rafa. So Nasab is normally Zabar, Jar is Zair, Rafa is Pesh. So first thing we should be very clear, Arab. Arab means you put this Nasab, Jar, Rafa, Zabar, Zair and Pesh. Also there is Fatha, Kasra and Dhamma. They are very important. They change the status of ism. So Jar, Nasab and Rafa, like Muslimun. In Muslimun, the last, look at the last letter Muslimun. Mun, that is Pesh. It means Rafa. If I say Musliman, the last letter Meen, it has the Fatha. Though it has 2 Fatha, but it is Fatha, it is Zabar. We will say it Nasab. And then Muslimin, when there is a Zair, there are 2 Zair, there is Zair. This is that is called Jar. Also the Ism. So when we put Arab on Ism, that can be Nasab, that can be Rafa, that can be Jar. If you just in order, Zabar, Zair and Pesh, Nasab, Jar and Rafa. Like Muslimun, that have Rafa. Musliman, that has the ending letter, that is Nasab. Muslimin, ending letter Meen, Jar, that is Zair. So first thing, this is Rafa, Nasab and Jar in case of singular. And when we have the Ism, any Ism which will have Jar on it, in singular case, let's say Zair on it, that will be called Majroor. If we have Nasab, like Fatha, Zabar, it will be Mansoob. And if I put Dhamma, Pesh, Rafa, also Rafa is also Rafa, that is called Marfu. So if there is a Jar, the Ism will be Majroor. If there is a Nasab, the Ism will be Mansoob. If there will be a Rafa, mean Pesh, it will be Marfu. Let's discuss it. Whatever we discuss here, let's see the example. This is what about we say about the singular, like Muslimun. So I would go to, I need some help. Burak. Burak, you there?
Yes.
Okay. Burak. there are 3 types of i'rab. Can you please name them?
Jar, Nasab, Rafa.
Raf. Can you, if you just read this, what is this?
Muslimun.
The last letter has jar, nasab, or rafa?
Rafa.
Rafa. So if it is rafa, so this ism will be called,
Marfu.
so status will be marfu. So what about this musliman? What is there
Jar.
at the end? Meme. On the meme, what is this?
Jar.
Hmm?
Tanween.
Okay, tanween, but which tanween? Is it rafa, nasab, or jar?
Jar. I mean
No.
Nasab. Nasab.
Nasab, that is fatha, nasab. So it will be what?
Mansub.
Mansub. Muslimin.
Muslimin.
It is
It's gonna be-
rafa, nasab, or jar?
Jar.
Jar. And this status will be
Majrur.
majroor. If I say here kafirun, so tell me, kafirun is marfu, mansub, or majroor?
Marfu.
Kafirin,
Kafirin. Majrur.
kafiran,
Mansub.
mansub. So this is jar, nasab, rafa. So thank you, Burak. So I would go to Brother Riza.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. Nasir. So Nasirun, what will it be? Will it be marfu, mansub, or majroor?
Nasrun is marfu.
I said Nasirun.
Nasrun is marfu too.
Yeah, marfu. So we are discussing singular, not plural. Nasirun. What will be the majroor of Nasirun?
Nasirin.
Nasi,
Rin.
rin,
Nasirin.
rin. We will not stretch it. Nasirin. What about mansub?
Mansub Nasiran.
Nasiran. So why you said this Nasirun is marfu? Because
Because it's Zamma or Rafa.
Rafa at the end. Yes. If we say here, any example, I would say, okay. So now I would go to Safi. Thank you, Brother Reza.
You're welcome, brother.
I would come. And Safi.
Yes.
Okay. First, tell me mu'minun. Is it ism or verb, ya Safi?
Mu'minun, it's ism.
Ism. Very good. So is it singular or plural?
It's singular.
Very good. Is it feminine or masculine?
It's masculine. Because
Masculine. Very good. Now comes to the Arab. Mu'minun is singular. Can you please tell me mu'minun is marfu, mansub, or majroor?
mu'minun, so marfu.
Marfu. What will be the majroor form of mu'minun?
Mu'minun.
Yeah. Like Muslimun is Muslimin. Mu'minun is?
Mu'minin.
And what will be the mansub?
Mu'minin.
Mu'mi. Here for singular, ya Safi, we put dhamma at the end like Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin. Put it here, Mu'minun.
Mu'minun. Mu'minan.
Okay, Mu'minun will be
Marfu.
Mu'minan,
Mansub.
Mu'minin,
Majrur.
Majroor. Kafirin, is it marfu, mansub, or majroor? Kafirin,
Majrur.
majroor. Kafiran,
Kafiran. Mansub.
kafirun,
Marfu.
marfu. Thank you very much. So I would go to Tanjeen.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. Sajid, can you please fit here Sajid for? It will be?
Sujudin.
No. Sajid, singular. When you put the dhamma, it will be Sajidun.
Sajidun.
Sajidun is what? Marfu, mansub or majroor?
Marfu,
Okay, what will be the mansub for sajidun?
mansub,
Okay, what will be the majroor?
sajid, sajidin,
Sajidin. Just you put a kasra, you put a jar. Okay, sajidun. Okay, can you please tell me about, okay, now I would go to someone, Noshin. Noshin, if you please tell me about Abid. No, Noshin.
It's marfu.
Okay, what will be mansub for Abidun? So it will be Abidun and mansub will be so I would go to Musab Iqbal.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. Just tell me the Abid marfu.
The marfu of Abid would be Abidun.
Mansub
Abidan.
and Majroor.
Abidan.
So okay. And if you just do the Sabir,
Sabir's marfu would be Sabirun. The mansub would be Sabiran. And the majroor would be Sabirin.
okay, thank you. So we are discussing about Arab. There are three status. Three status that will be Majroor, Mansub, and Marfu. In singular, if at the end, if there is a Zabar, that will be Mansub, that is called Nasab. If there is at the end, there is a Rafa, mean Pesh, Dhamma, that will be Marfu. If there is a Kasra, Zair or Jar, that will status will be Majroor. This is what we discuss about singular. Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin, Abidun, Abidan, Abidin. Now let's discuss about the dual. First, dual of Muslim is Muslimani and Muslimaini. Like we are discussing from the first chapter, from level 1, when we said that Fatih plural will be Fatihun and Fatihin. Today is the time to distinguish between Fatihun and Fatihin. First, let's go to the dual. The dual of Muslim is Muslimani and Muslimaini. Muslimani will be Marfu and Muslimaini Mansub and Muslimaini also Majroor. If I put here Kafir, Kafirani, Kafiraini, Kafiraini, Mansub and Majroor will be same. Let's say I have Nasir, brother Ashar. Wa alaikum assalam. Start from singular and dual, all the marfu mansub. Nasir.
Nasir, Nasirun, Nasirun, Nasiran, Nasirin.
So Nasirun will be
Marfu,
Nasiran.
Nasiran will be Mansub and Nasirin is Majroor.
Okay, now we are going towards dual.
Yes.
Nasir dual is Nasirani and Nasiraini. Word, okay. Nasirani will be
Nasirani is Marfu.
Nasiraini.
Nasiraini Mansub and Nasiraini also Majroor.
Majroor. So Nasirani means
Two helper.
two helper, but it will be the status will be Nasirani, Nasiraini, and then
Nasiraini.
no, this is about dual. Okay, thank you, Ashar bhai. Muhammad is there? Muhammad Ashar.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. Start from here, Muhammad. Abid, marfu,
Abid.
singular is
Abid.
Abi.
Abidun.
Yes.
Abidun.
No, here.
Abidan.
Then
Abidin.
okay, Abidan is Abidan.
Abidan is Mansub.
Huh?
Mansub.
And what it will be the Majroor?
Majroor is Abidin.
And what is Marfu?
Marfu is abidun.
Okay, abidun means single, one worshipper. Okay, dual will be two or worshipper mean abidani.
Abidani.
So abidani is marfu, mansub or majroor.
Abidani is marfu.
What is mansub of abidani?
Abidani, abidaini.
And what is majroor?
Abidani, abidaini.
Abidaini. Okay. Now the last case is about the plural.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Muhammad. So I would go to Ja'far Iqbal. The Muslimun, now Muslimun have two plural, Muslimuna and Muslimina. Muslimuna is marfu, Muslimina is mansub, and also Muslimina is majroor. Muslimuna, Muslimina, and Muslimina. Okay. Here set Nasirun, Jafar, and start from here. Nasirun.
Nasirun, Nasiran, Nasirin, Nasirani, Nasiraini, Nasiraini, Nasiruna, Nasirina, Nasirina.
Okay. Nasirun is singular, dual, or plural?
Nasirun is singular.
What about status? Marfu, mansub, or majroor?
Marfu.
Okay, Nasirun. What will be the mansub of Nasirun?
Nasiran.
What is majroor of Nasirun?
Nasirin.
This is okay. Now in dual, marfu will be the ending sound will be ani or aini. Ani or aini. So here will be nasi. Marfu will be
Nasira. It'll be Nasirani.
okay. Nasirani. What will be the mansub?
Nasiraini.
What will be the majroor?
Nasiraini.
Okay. What is the plural of Nasir?
Nasiruna.
And there are two plural. You know, in fa'il we said Nasir, Nasirun, and
Nasirin.
Nasirun and Nasirin. So Nasirun is what?
Marfu.
And Nasirin is what?
Mansub.
Mansub. And also Nasirin is?
Majroor.
So Nasirin is both Mansub and Majroor. Okay. One more example we take here. So I would go to Abdullah.
Yes.
Before, okay, Abdullah, mic is okay?
Yes.
Okay. Abdullah, fit here, Abidun. First complete the table and then we discuss about Marfu, Mansub and Majroor.
Abidun, Abidun, Abidan, Abidin. And then
Abidani.
Abidani, Abidaini, Abidaini.
Plural. Abidun.
Abidun,
Abiduna.
Abiduna, Abidina, Abidina.
Okay. Abid means?
Abid means
One worshipper.
One worshipper.
Okay. Abidun is what? Status will be Marfu, Mansub or Majroor.
Marfu.
Okay. What will be the Majroor of Abidun?
It will be Abidin.
What will be the Mansub?
Abidan.
Very good. So Abidun, one worshipper. Okay. So all this is meaning will not change. Abidun, one verse. If I say two worshipper, that will be?
Abidani.
Okay. Abidani is Marfu or Mansub or Majroor?
Marfu.
What will be the Mansub for Abidani?
Abidaini.
And what is Majroor?
Abidaini.
Very good. Okay. Abidun, meaning?
Abidun, those
who worship. Yes, plural.
Worship.
And there are two words for that. Those who worship. Abidun and?
Abidain.
Abidin.
Abidin.
Here in file, can you please start with Abada and reach at Abid? Go ahead.
Abada, abadu, abatta, abattum, abattu, abadna. Ya'budu, ya'buduna, ta'budu, ta'buduna, a'budu,
Na'bud. Next.
u'bud, la ta'bud, u'budu, la ta'budu,
Abid.
abid, abidun,
Yeah,
abidin.
you are there, mashallah. Abidun, abidin. So abidun, those who worship. Abidin, those who worship. But what is the difference? Abidun is marfu' and abidin is,
Mansub.
and what is the majroor for that?
Abidin.
Abidin. So this is abidun, abidin, abidin. This. So just we discuss here. In next lecture, inshallah, we discuss about this, that what is the effect of on translation when you change the i'rab. I'rabs are very important, and they tell the status of ism. There are three status of ism: majroor, mansoob, and marfu. These are i'rab: jar, nasab, and rafa. Jar means zair, nasab zabar, rafa pesh. Jar kasra, also in the other name of in Arabic, nasab fatha, rafa damma or pesh. So what is the status? There are three status of ism. It can be marfu, it can be mansub, it can be majroor. In case of singular, muslimun, musliman, muslimin, these pesh at the ending sound on, an, in, because of this Arab sound is changing, on, an, in. This is marfu, mansub, and majroor. In dual, ani, aini. In plural, una, ina. Muslimun, one Muslim. Dual, muslimani, two Muslim. Muslimaini is also two Muslim, but muslimani is marfu' and muslimaini is mansub. And muslimuna, plural, Muslims, and plural can be Muslims, muslimuna, and muslimina. And una, muslimuna is marfu'. What will be the mansub? Muslimina, majroor, muslimina. As we know that in the language, subject, object, and nouns are three important things in any sentence. So these status will define what will be the subject, what will be the object in the sentence, and that it will help us in translation. Inshallah, we will keep it up this, and in next lecture, we will try to finish this status. So over to you, Dr. Abdul Khalid.